Hello guys, welcome to channel. In this video we are talking about how to fix JBL BoomBox 2 not charging. To fix your JBL BoomBox 2 not charging, first of all you have to check the power source. For that you have to ensure the power outlet is working by plugging in another device. Then you have to try a different power outlet if necessary. After that you have to inspect the charging cable and the adapter. Ensure the charging cable and the adapter are securely connected to the BoomBox 2. Then you have to try using a different charging cable and adapter to rule out issue with the cable or adapter. Then you can also try to clean the charging port, inspect the charging port for any debris or dust, and then you have to clean the port gently with a soft brush or compressed air. If this method not working for you, then you have to reset the boombox too. For reset you have to press and hold the volume plus button and play button simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds to reset the device. After resetting you have to try to charge your JBL BoomBox 2 and hopefully your issue will be fixed after that. Hopefully this video help you to fix your JBL BoomBox 2 not charging. Thanks for watching.